Hello friends, welcome back to our channel Creative Coders. In this tutorial we are discussing about a program that is conversion of number degree to radian. Now let's start with code. Before that, if you new on the channel, then first subscribe the channel. This is the editor window of code blocks. Today I am going to talk about C programming. So first we enter #include. stdio. This is the header file in the C programming. Next line we add void main. This is the main function. Now we enter radian and degree variable. So we call float. Radian and degree. Semicolon. After that again we call float. To constant. First is pi equals to 3.14 and 180.0. After that we enter next line printf statement. Display the message on this output window. Enter the degree. Then called scanf to ask user. Here we use %f because we use float and %degree. Semicolon. Complete the inverted. Then we enter formula for the conversion of radian degree to radian, that is degree multiplied by 3.14 divided by 180.0 semicolon. Then we enter printf for the output. Show on the screen /n for next line %f radian is radian. Then we save the code and run this. Now this is the output window. So we enter any number, that is degree here. So we enter 45. So their radian conversion is 0.78500. Thanks for watching this video. Please like, comment and share the video. Press the bell icon for the notification of upcoming videos.